you guys making today?
Sushi!
Today, we're going to teach everyone to make two types of sushi. So, the first sushi roll is called baby cucumber roll, and the second one is the inside out roll. Everyone can slowly stand up, come closer to the chef table.
Sushi has both sides. One is sideways, one is rough side.
The rough side is going to face up. Yeah, it's a hand. This is called handful rice. So let me see your hands. Let me see your hand. Oh, so she need 1.5 handful rice. Show me your hand. So she will need 2 handful rice.
Now I just separate chicken and here. Now I just put the rice, but now see, just leave 1 centimeter left. Okay.
Now everyone can show me 3 fingers, which is 1 thumb, 2 bunny fingers. So show me 2 bunny fingers and thumb. Yeah. You need to get a cucumber. So your thumb, it's go underneath the mat. So can you see the thumb underneath the mat? All right. And your 2 bunny finger is going to hold the cucumber. So and then you can start rolling. Yeah. So the first roll, make sure your bamboo mat is touching the seaweed. Have a look. So leave 1 centimeter so your bamboo mat is touching the seaweed, and then you squeeze it. And lift up your bamboo mat and roll it again. Yeah. Squeeze again evenly. Apply evenly. Right.
3 seconds. 1,
1, 2, 3. Yeah. And lift up. Wow.
So have you learned how to do it? Are you ready?
Yes!
Ready?
Yes!
Can you tell me what that is, Vido?
Seaweed!
Seaweed. You like to eat seaweed? Which part of the seaweed needs to go down? What did you learn? Was it rough one or the shiny one?
The shiny one.
Shiny one needs to go down. Let me see.
What goes next?
What do you put in the seaweed?
Not shiny. It's separate.
Oh, well done!
漂亮，就在那边给你照个相。我不能照相啊。
Let me see your sushis. Vido, let me see your sushi.
What's the name of the second roll? Inside out roll. So the inside out roll, the rice is going to cover the whole seaweed. Now, because it's inside out, we can put some texture. So I'm going to apply the white sesame seed. Okay. So to prevent the white sesame seed go everywhere, so I'm going to pat on the rice, right? Not too hard. Gently, and with the white sesame seed is going to stick on the rice, right? So now I'm going to flip it over because we're making inside our roll, so everyone can see. Yeah, the rice is cover the seaweed. All right, so I flip it over. And then you can choose it if you like. This is a crab stick. And we have the crispy chicken. So my thumb, again, go underneath. Thumb, right? Bunny fingers. Here we go.
Are you guys enjoying this so far?
Yes!
You want a chicken one?
I'm crab one.
You're gonna get a crab one?
I'm getting a chicken one. Getting crab.
Crab. What are you getting?
Chicken.
What are you getting, Vido?
Chicken.
No sesame?
yummy? Whoa!
Try it, Vida?
You wanna try it?
Try it. So good.
Is it yummy?
It's yummy.
Yummy!